All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's commonly confused words. So worn, worn, and torn, to on. Worn and torn. So worn, when something has been used and it does not work as well as it used to. It's been used so much, it has been worn out. It doesn't work like it used to. The book has been read so many times, it is worn out. Oh, exhausted, tired. I am worn out. Oh. The bag is worn because it has been used for years. Yeah, it's been used for years. The machines are all worn out. They have been in use every day for years and have just worn out. Some parts need replacing. Yeah, just replacing. They're so worn out. If you keep doing that, it'll be worn out soon. The faster the machine runs, the sooner it will be worn out. Yeah. Now, torn, worn and torn. Torn when something is shredded or broken. Yeah, we tore a hole. We tore a hole in the wall. Yeah. Yeah. These papers were all torn. This book is torn. Torn. We need to tear that paper. The paper has been torn. I tore it last night. Can you tear the other papers? Yeah, the papers are all torn. Yeah, those documents were all torn when we got to them. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. Do you think these documents should be torn up? How can I tear up these documents? Give them to me so they can be torn up. Give them to me and they can be torn up. Yeah, rip. Rip the documents, like the book. Rip it. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So torn and worn, just been worn out. Oh. Yeah, how cool is that? So, can you use worn and torn in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.